Hello students, welcome back. How are you today? Okay, I hope you're all fine. I'm your teacher Arpita Sharma and we are studying maths. Okay, so in maths we are studying the construction chapter. In the previous lecture, in lecture number 1, we have talked about how to make angles of 30 degree, 60 degree and 120 degree, and we have made an angle of 90 degree in rough work only. Okay, and before that we have studied about the bisection of an angle. That means how to bisect an angle and how to perpendicularly bisect a line segment. This is what we have done. Okay, so talking about angle 90 degree, so we are just going to make it properly today. That how should we make angle 90 degree? You have given with a line. Okay, so draw that line. Okay, after drawing that line from the point, let's suppose this is A and this is B, so you're going to make an angle BA, let's suppose C, so that will be going to be 90 degree. Okay, so what you are going to do, at point A, cut an arc here intersecting this line AB, then from this point, let's suppose this is the point D, from this point D cut an arc here and that will be of 60 degree. Okay, and again of a 60 degree, so that will make 120 degree completely. Now this is 60 degree we have talked about and this is again 60 degree. So 60 plus 30 is equals to 90. So we are going to just make it half of this angle. So for making the half, we know the procedure. Okay, so we are going to do this procedure only. Now we'll be having here this point as C, and now what we are going to do, we are just going to meet this A to this C. Okay, so that angle BAC is equals to 90 degree. This is how you construct angle of 90 degree, students, right? Now, if you look into your exercise number 1, you have given with this with the questions like make an angle of 45 degree, make an angle of 30 degree, that we have already mentioned. Okay, this is 90 degree. How to make angle of 45 degree? Now, if you're given with the question that make an angle of 90 degree, then try to remember, do it twice. Now 45 multiplied by 2 is what? The twice of 45 is 90 degree. Now, do you know how to make 90 degree angle? Yes, we do. Okay, then how will you make angle 45 degree? Because it's just half of 90 degree, so we are going to take it half. Okay, so with the same radius, I'm just going to make half. I just like I will be bisecting this angle. So this is angle CAB. So from here to this point. Okay, so from this point I'm going to make an arc here, and similarly from this point I'm going to make an arc here. Now I'll be finding this point and I will join this point to point A. Okay, and the angle such make, this angle is equals to 45 degree and the previous angle, was angle 90 degree, students. Got it? So if the examiner have given you to make an angle of 45 degree, which is very likely to come in the exam, so you will be following these steps. Make an angle of 90 degree and then just cut it into half. Okay, this is how it's gonna work. All right, understood? Okay. So this is construction of angle of 90 degree. Now you know about the 30 degree also. Okay, 30 degree we have talked about, 90 degree. So we have basically done with these angles. First, not 90 degree, we'll start with the 60 degree. The very first we have understood. Second, we have made angle of 120 degree. Then we halve this angle, and after bisecting this angle we get 30 degree angle. Okay, then by this plus this, what we get? 90 degree angle. By bisecting 90 degree angle, what we got? 45 degree angle. So these angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 angles are now what we know about how to construct them. Okay, so we have gone through these 5 angles. Okay, and you know the procedure now, right? Okay. Talking about the construction steps, wherever you are going to construct these, you have to write these steps, like step number 1. Draw a line segment AB is equals to whatever is the given centimeters to, let's suppose 10 centimeter. Then draw a line AB equals to 10 centimeter. Okay, and these kind of all steps for angle is given in your textbook, so you can just go through it. These are the same steps you are performing, but you just have to write in your own words, right? Okay. Now we are going to start with some questions. Okay, we'll be having some questions with us and we'll solve them, right? Okay, so now how you can see the question here, that we have to construct the angle of 22.5, 15 degree, 75 degree, 105 degree, 135 degree. Now you may ask, ma'am, you haven't told about any of these construction. So how can we make this? You can definitely make this. I've told you about this concept of multiplying by 2 or half that particular angle, and let's assume that you have that particular angle made. Okay, so talking about 22.5, we are taking the first one, the very first one, 22.5. This is we are going to take. Now, as in a rough work, you can say like 22.5 will be equals to what? Multiply by 2 will be equals to what? 45. Now, do you know how to make an angle of 45 degree? Surely you are very able to draw or construct the angle of 45 degree. Now, if you are able to construct the angle of 45 degree, then just construct the angle of 45 degree and just then bisect it. Okay, so that bisection will be equals to 22.5 degree. Not simple. Okay. Now, starting with the procedure, first step, you'll be having a line AB. Okay, after this having this line AB, you just have to put it here. How to make angle 90 degree? Just repeat. Okay, like this, from there cut 2 arcs like this, again bisect these 2 arcs and you'll be getting a 90 degree angle. This we have practiced, okay, in previous lecture also, in the lecture number 1 also, and in this lecture also. Now what you have to do? You have to just meet these 2 points, right? Okay. Then the second step is you have to bisect it with the same radius. Just cut some arc here, and the intersection point of these 2 arcs will be what? Equals to 45 degree. Now be very specific about what you are doing. You are making an angle of 22.5 degree, and which is half of 45 degree. Now what is your 45 degree angle? Your 45 degree angle is this angle. Your 45 degree angle is this angle. So you are getting these 2 points, this and this. Let's suppose this is M and this is N. Now you have to bisect this angle, MAN. How will you bisect it? Again, you'll be having some radius and you'll bisect it like this. This is the bisection. Okay. Now, in this intersection, you're going to meet this point to the very point A. And this is how you'll be getting the angle 22.5 degrees. So this is about the first one. We have done with the 22.5 degree. Now, okay, next one is 15 degree we are having. Okay, so talking about 15 degree, how you're going to make it? What is the twice of 15 degree again? What is the twice? This is your rough work. Twice of 15 degree is equals to 30 degree, and now we know how to make the angle of 30 degree. So this is also very simple to us, guys. Okay. And whenever I am constructing an angle here, what you have to do, just open your geometry box and construct it with me. Okay. Because the more you will practice, the more clear and simpler and faster it will get. So this is the line segment AB. If you're given with a specific length of this AB, then draw AB equals to whatever is given. Likewise, if you're given with this, that base is equals to, let's suppose 7 centimeter, then draw this AB equals to 7 centimeter and then follow the procedure. Okay. Now what you're going to make? 30 degree angle. What is 30 degree? How we made 30 degree? 30 degree is what? 30 degrees equals to 60 by 2. That means half of the 60 degree. And the 60 degrees was the very first angle we have made. So what we are doing? We are cutting an arc here, and without disturbing the radius, we are cutting an arc on this arc. Okay, so we are getting here. Now, without meeting these two lines, can I get the 30 degree angle? Right, this is 60 degree and I have to bisect this from here and one from there. So, this angle is now what? Equals to 30 degree. This was the 60 degree angle and that is the 30 degree angle. Okay. So, I am going to need these lines. So, this is angle 30 degree, right? So now what I have to do? I have to bisect 30 degree angle in order to get the angle 50 degree. So I will just bisect this angle. Now this is the bisection or this is the intersection. Okay, so I'm just going to meet, we are just going to meet this point to this A. Right. Now this, let's suppose this is C, point C, then this angle CAB is equals to 30 degree. Not 30 degree, 15 degree. 15 degree. This angle is equals to 15 degree. Understood this one? Okay. So we are done with this 15 degree also. Okay, let's move forward with the next. The next is the number third, 75 degree. Now what is 75 degree? Now you will double it. Okay, 75 multiplied by 2. You'll be saying that ma'am 10, 14 and 15. You haven't told us anything about 150 degree. Now how to solve this question? Okay, you're going to break it. What is the angle less than angle 75 and you know how to construct it. So this is angle 60 degree. Okay, now can you put some value here and make it 75? Okay, 16 degree plus 15 degree is equals to what? 75 degree. We know about the construction of 60 degree and now we have made also 15 degree. Right? So what we are going to do? We are going to just make angle 60 degree and after that we are going to add 15 degree to it. How? Let's have a look here for the same. What is the first step in all these construction? We have to make our base. Right, baseline. This is our line segment AB on which we have to draw angle of 75 degree. First come first, we have to make an angle of, construct an angle of 60 degree here. Now we are very familiar with the 60 degree. How to make 60 degree? Just cut arc here and then this. Okay, so this is our angle 60 degree. So because this is not the actual angle, okay, and I am just keeping it as a reference, so I am just making a dashed line here. Okay, so this angle is equals to what? 60 degree. Now what I have to make? Angle 15 degree here. Now 15 degree is equals to 30 degree by 2 and 30 degrees equals to 60 by 2. Okay, so I have to make first angle 60 degree. So again, after 60 degree, I'm going to have 15 degree here to get it 75. So first I have to make 60 degree. This is 60 degree. One arc 60 degree I have told you in the first lecture. Okay, so this is 60 degree. Okay, then I will be going to halve it, bisect it. Now, this bisection will lead to this another dashed line, and now this angle is 30 degree. Okay, this angle is 30 degree. This complete angle is 90 degree, but this particular angle is equals to 30 degree. Now I have to bisect these two. Okay, this angle I have to bisect, so I'll do accordingly. First point is this, and the second point is here. So now I am getting the intersection here. So this intersection, I am going to meet it with A. Now students listen, this is 60 degree, basically this is 60 degree, okay, and after that this is half of 30 degree, half of 30 degree is 15 degree. So this is 15 degree and this is 60 degree. What is 60 plus 15 is equals to 75 degree. So basically this is the construction of 75 degree, okay, understood about this thing? Alright. This is your practice session, you can say. You have to practice all these construction with me. Okay, otherwise you are not able to get what I'm telling you. Even if you'll be able, you will forget it. But if you'll be doing with your hands, okay, and you're practicing it all with your geometry box, it will be very okay, and you even need not to revise it. Okay, so this is here 105 degree. I am creating a base here for sure, because whatever the angle is, I am going to have this base AB equals to something which is given. Okay, so I am having this 105 degree. Okay, now I know how to make an angle of 90 degree, and 90 plus 15 is equals to what? 105 degree. So I know how to make an angle of 90 degree. Okay, I'll make it. And 15 is what? 15 equals to 30 by 2. And what is 30? 30 is equals to 60 by 2. I know this process. I have to make a 90 degree angle, and then I have to make a 30 degree angle. Okay. So how to make 90 degree angle? Now it's very simple for you guys. Okay. First arc 60 degree, first arc 120 degree. I will bisect them. Okay, and that will be giving me a 90 degree angle. So this is about the 90 degree angle. Will be using dashed lines, I have told you. Okay, here we go with the dashed lines. Now this is 90 degree, and I have to get one more 15 degree. Now this complete angle is 60 degree, and this angle is equals to this angle here. This angle equals to 30 degree. I have to just bisect it. So bisect this angle from here and from this. So you'll be getting this. Meet this point. let's suppose this is point C here, then angle BAC is equals to what? 105 degree. Okay, this complete angle is 105 degree. Okay, fine. Be very specific about it, because in the next lecture we are going to construct triangles, and when we'll be constructing triangles, they'll be given with some specific angle. Let's suppose in one triangle, one angle is equals to 135 degree. Then I'll just make this angle 135 degree for you. Okay, and then you need to know to ask me that, ma'am, why we are following these kind of steps. Okay. So the next one is 135 degree. Now what is 135 degree? We know 120 degree very well, and plus 15 we can take. So no, what is 120 degree? After 60, another arc will be getting 120 degree. What is about this 15 degree? 15 is what? 30 by 2. And 30 is what? 60 by 2. We know how to make this angle 15 degree. Okay, now it's been very much easy for us, guys. Now, what will be the first step? We'll be creating a baseline, the given line segment AB. Okay, this AB we have drawn. Now, what we have to do? Make an angle of 120 degree first. Okay, make an angle of 120 degree then. Right. So at the point A, make an angle of 120 degree. After 120 degree, you will be needing a 15 degree. So this is 60 degree, this is 120 degree, and after 120 degree, this is another 60 degree. Okay, and you will be getting 60 degree. You can just halve it, bisect it. Okay. How to bisect this angle? From this point cut an arc here, and from this point cut an arc here. Okay. So this angle, this is a 120 degree, 120 degree plus this, half of that is 30 degree. Okay. So we are going to meet these 2 points, and because this is not the angle we want, we'll be meeting them with the dashed lines. So here it comes with a dashed line. Now from this point we are going to cut an arc here, and from this point we are going to cut an arc here. So here we are getting this intersection, and we'll name it as point C, and we'll be meeting A to C. Okay, now this angle BAC is equals to what? 135 degree. How? Because this will be the 120 degree. Okay, and after that will be equals to what? This will be equals to 30 degree, and the bisection of, or the half of 30 degrees equals to what? 15 degree. So that will be our 15 degree. 15 plus 120 is equals to what? 135. So here we will make 135 degree angle. So now we have done with that, and we have done with that. These 5 angles in today's lecture we have constructed, and what you have to do, just practice it, and we'll meet in the next lecture trying to explore some triangles, construction of some triangles. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.